Ramazan is drawing near. Few days are left. A blessed guest containing innumerable special benedictions. नज़दीक आ रहा है रमज़ान का महीना. Today, Education Department of Dawat Islami arranged a welcome Ramazan Ijtima. Istiqbal Ramazan Ijtima. PhD doctors and doctors of pharmacy were invited. Dawat Islami is offering a wide array of madani activities in this blessed month. First of all, a legendary book from Amir al-Sunnat, Blessings of Ramazan, a necessity for all those on whom the fasts of Ramazan are obligatory, as without proper learning and guidance, how one can practice any activity perfectly. What should be the behavior of a fasting person? You can get an excellent answer from this book. Good news! Nigran Shura of Dawat Islami, Hazrat Maulana Imran Attari Sahab Damat Barkatumul Aliyah is coming up with another unique and masterpiece topic. Movement of keeping fast will continue. Yeah, you got it right. It's the topic of the speech which His Excellency will deliver. This will be telecasted live on Madani channel on 21st of May, Sunday, 9:30 p.m. Insha'Allah Azza wa Jal. Nigran Shura's personality is dynamic. His speeches are casting deep impact on the society. The theme, selection of words, all are superb. Across the globe, his delicate oratory is considered to be one of the best. Social networking platforms are the stark evidence. So, 21st May, a big night. Preparations are on. Arrangements are made to watch this special speech in the universities, hospitals, and other educational institutes. PhD doctors, doctors of pharmacy, and all other segments of education sector are intending to work wholeheartedly and proliferate this invitation of goodness among their colleagues, friends, students, and acquaintance.